हाय, ट्रेडिंग कर्फ्यू में आपका स्वागत है एंड लेट्स डू अ क्विक मार्केट recap which is the 13th of November 2025. Now before I start the video, it's very important that you do a little bit of cross referencing from my previous videos. The reason I'm saying that is because since the last two videos of mine, I was pretty clear on the direction of the Nifty index. What did I mention? What did I say in those videos? I said that the market is poised for a springboard action, and that's exactly what has been happening over the last 2 days. The moment it broke 25,550 levels, I was pretty clear on my stance that this is an upward trajectory and ये market आपको 2 या 3 दिन में 26,000 का levels आपका दिखा देगा. And what happened today in the morning? The market inched up towards those levels by around 115, 130. It did breach the 26,000 odd levels. So for the last 3 days, it has been a pretty good period for all those option buyers. I also mentioned the fact अगर आप एक ऑप्शन राइटर हैं तो आपको घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है as long as you are hedged. Yesterday's parting shot was the fact that hey, if you're an option writer, आपके पास आज भी मौका मिलेगा hedge करने का and just hold on to your guns, just hold the fort. और अगर आपने 1:15 या 1:30 बजे तक आज if you had not crossed off your positions and if you had hedged your positions, the market tapered off all its returns in a span of around 15 minutes itself. Within 5-minute candles, मार्केट ने अपना पूरा का पूरा दिन का गेन इरेज कर दिया और वहीं पर खड़ा हो गया जहां पर वो कल खड़ा हुआ था. And this is primarily because of an event tomorrow. Now that event is a political event. It will not really impact the market much on a longer time frame. But then again, expect a knee-jerk reaction. ऊपर से आज सेंसेक्स की भी एक्सपायरी थी, तो आप अगर आपने सही पकड़ा होगा तो आपने दोनों जगह पे अपने पैसे बनाए हैं आज. बट बिकॉज पीपल, most of the investors, most of the traders, they don't want to carry their positions for an event day because there is some inherent risk involved. So they knocked off all their positions, at least the long ones. अभी भी अगर आपने long position पे है तो कोई बात नहीं. This market is poised to move up as long as you are hedged on the downside. Tomorrow there's an event. We'll get to know by around 11:30 itself as to how the market is going to shape and how which government is going to form the government in Bihar, which party is going to form the government in Bihar. So we'll get to know around 11:30 itself. As I said, you expect some knee-jerk reaction either on the downside or on the upside, but in the longer time frame, the market will absorb everything. There's a small disclaimer, by the way. Please take a note of the fact that the index, the market, already has factored an NDA win. Now, just in case, if it's a very close-knit contest, or if NDA win not to come into par, then expect a further knee-jerk reaction on the downside, and then the important levels of 26,100, that might just take some more time to breach. So tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. Let's play it out. Let's see as to how it works out tomorrow. Do ensure, and let me repeat, do ensure that you follow this strategy, that there is absolutely no strategy between 9:15 to around 11:30. लोग ये वाली चीज भूल जाते हैं is that sometimes the best strategy is not to do anything. वो करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. Why? Because if you are an active participant in the market, you want to jump into it, क्योंकि आपको मार्केट का वॉलेटिलिटी कल वो दिखाएगा. But I would recommend at this point of time is to just observe. देखो कल क्या होता है. मार्केट कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. वो यहां पर पहले भी था, हमसे पहले भी, हमारे बाद भी रहेगा. 3 घंटे की बात है. 11:30-12 बजे तक आपको पता लग जाएगा. and then you can take new positions if need be. So just hold on to your horses till around 12 o'clock, 12:30 in the afternoon. See how the market or how the Nifty is shaping up for you to take some fresh positions. ठीक है, तो कल मिलते हैं. Till we meet again. Rakesh signing out. Thank you.